Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand checklist in Trello for every design handoff step by step clearly. Start by opening your Trello board where you want to restore your brand checklist. Locate the card that needs the brand checklist. Click on the card to open it. In the card menu, find the checklist section. Click on Add Checklist if you don't see the existing checklist. If the checklist was deleted, go to the card's activity log at the bottom. Look for the entry that mentions checklist deletion. Click on the Undo option found next to the deletion entry. This will restore the checklist to the card. If you need to create a new checklist, type in a name for it in the Add Checklist field. Now, add items to your checklist one at a time. You can do this by clicking on Add an item. Enter the first item and press Enter to save. Repeat the process for each item you want to add. Once your checklist is complete, you can reorder items by dragging them. To mark an item as complete, simply click the checkbox next to it. Ensure your checklist is visible to all team members. To share the card, click on the Members section and assign team members. You can also set a due date for the checklist if necessary. Make sure to communicate with your team about the importance of the checklist. Encourage feedback to improve the checklist over time. Regularly review the checklist to keep it up to date. This ensures all design handoffs adhere to brand standards. Finally, make sure to archive completed checklists for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.